Hi, this is Jason Shatner, aka Wolf Phototech, and I just roamed into the back 40. I live on a farm, and I just happened to come across this. So I sadly my phone doesn't have zoom, so we're gonna have to. I'm gonna try to walk as close as I can, slowly as possible, and see if I can get close enough that you can actually see what I see clearly. Way out there, that is a small flock of wild turkeys. As you notice, there's little ones. Those are babies. Now this is a hayfield that was recently cut and baled. So there's a lot of fine seeds and leaves and little bugs that can't get away. Turkeys like some plant material. They like insects. They like other little small critters. They'll eat small frogs, toads, stuff like that. Sorry that my camera doesn't have the range to quite see them that well, but they're right at the bottom of the tree line. You can kind of make them out. And they have successfully disappeared into the tree line. Now, I'm going to pick up the pace and see if I could catch them in the tree line. I'm not going to physically catch them. I'm just going to try to get close enough to actually just catch one of them off guard, trying to hide and show you. It looks like entirely a flock of hens with some babies, so soon we'll have some more corn for later in the year. They've done a very good job of disappearing into the trees. Well, I'm going to try to cut around and see if I can catch them on the other side. If they are on the other side. And there's definitely a lot of this is clearly a trail someone has ran down. Huh. And it looks like they found a gigantic log when they were trying to go trail making. Regular adventures on the farm. Now I'm going to try to be really quiet, or quieter. No turkeys in here. What's this? Huh. It appears to be some kind of weather station. Weather Alert Inc. Ah. Fascinating. And clearly the turkeys have escaped into this corner, and I'm now onto someone else's property. But screw that, I'm leaving. Found a weather station right next to right next to the family farm. They most likely scampered all the way through the tree line, down the path, and away from me. Well, that's it. That's it. I'm just gonna continue on my way. Thank you very much. If you like any of the videos on the channel I have this on, please feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, etc., etc. And it will be greatly appreciated. If you see anything on my channel that you particularly like or want to know more about, feel free to comment and tell me so. That way, yeah, I know to produce more of that content. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. The end.